Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Seth with MK Carpet Cleaning, and just want to give you just a quick walkthrough of a job we were doing this morning. And actually, at the end of the video, I'll show you another home we did, just kind of a walkthrough before and after. That's kind of what we're going to do here. As you can tell, this carpet is pretty heavily soiled. It was actually cleaned a couple months ago by another company, and the homeowner wanted us to come in and re-clean it. So that's why we're here. And I'm just going to kind of briefly go through our process. We always start off with doing a pre-vacuuming of the carpet, and that's what we did here, and then pre-spot treatment, and then we actually put the preconditioner down, and we went a little higher on the pH just because of the rough shape of the carpet here. And after we put that down, we get our CRB, which stands for counter rotating brush, and we really work in the preconditioner and kind of focus really heavy on some of these spots that are in the carpet. Some of these spots, like that right there, we got it mostly out, but some of it had actually set in and become a stain. But we got it probably about 95 to 96% out of the carpet, and the carpets came out looking fantastic. But again, we're using our CRB to work in the preconditioner. It also helps fluff up the carpet and makes it look really good. As a matter of fact, a lot of times clients will think we've already cleaned the carpet just by looking at the carpet after we've CRB'd, just because it looks so well. And as you'll be able to see here in the video, actually we'll show a walkthrough here shortly of the carpets after they've been CRB'd and just how well they look. So the next step is we hot water extract, and we use our Jetson truck mount with a propane heater, which gets the water pretty piping hot, and that really helps lift up the soil and break it up easier. And then after that, we do a final post groom, and this client actually wanted us to put a protector down because the carpets came out looking so well, to help it keep from resoiling faster. And a lot of people don't realize, but anytime you buy a new carpet, it comes from the factory with the protector already on it, except for wool, and then a couple of other type of fibers occasionally won't have it. But for the most part, almost all carpet comes out of the factory with the protector on it. But that protector wears off after about a year in the high traffic walk areas. So what we do is we just apply that back to those areas. It'll help the carpet stay cleaner longer, and it'll make it come clean a lot easier whenever you come time for your next annual cleaning. So anyway, I'm going to quit talking here, and thanks so much for watching. If if you could use our services, call us 336-465-6120.